It's very difficult to believe in God when you're in like really difficult times, and then it's so easy to love God when He kind of like did miracles on your life. So what do you tell yourself when you're like, why did God do this to me?
When I look at suffering and I say, how can God allow suffering to exist if He's all-powerful, all-knowing, and loving? Because He can redeem it. If I'm being fully transparent, my parents were supposed to be here today. It's going to be the first time my parents were going to be with me at something like this. My mom called me this morning and told me that my dad's in the hospital. He's hurt his back so bad. That never happens to my dad. Now I could sit there and go, man, God, you suck. You caused my dad to have a bad back today. Now he's in the hospital. And to be completely transparent with you, my prayer was this morning. God, I don't know what's going on, but God, I know that you know about suffering because you suffered with me. If anyone's going to know how my dad feels and how I feel, you know how he feels. So I think the beautiful picture of suffering is two things. One, God knows how suffering feels because He suffered with us. But number two, suffering can be used to keep us humble and reliant and point us to the cross.